to edit a category in WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the dashboard, go to the left side above Media, hover on Posts. Click on Categories. Search for the category you need to edit. Click on Edit. Here we can change the name, slug URL, description, layout, etc. For example, here we can change the slug URL from testing to engage branding. Click on the Update button. That's it, you have successfully edited a category in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.